Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to change your monitor's refresh rate. So first of all you need to open up the settings of your Windows. So you will type here settings and you will open up this app. Then you will open up system and make sure that you are in the display tab here, and then if you scroll down you will see this option which is the advanced display setting, and here you can see refresh rate. Now if your monitor supports more than one refresh rate, then when you click on this drop down option here you will see all the multiple refresh rates here that your monitor can support, and you can select from them. And if you have a multiple display you can actually choose that as well. So right now my monitor is just supports 60 hertz at a time, so I can only choose from this. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.